All right, Polygon MATIC has been on a tear over the past month, and this is probably the biggest news coming out today for Polygon. We've seen partnerships with Disney, Meta, which of course is formerly Facebook, and other huge companies. Polygon continues to be an altcoin that is trending in the right direction, up over 150% in the last month, in a bear market, mind you. And let's dive into the most recent news because this is bigger than anything, as they're rolling out what they call is the best solution for Ethereum scaling. And we're going to jump into this quick video first, and then we'll dive into some of the details. Take a listen to this.
Ethereum paved the way for smart contracts, and the development of Web3 started gaining pace. Ethereum needs to scale, but transactions take too long to complete and the cost incurred is high. To scale Ethereum, we need a solution that increases speed and reduces cost while keeping everything we love about Ethereum intact. Introducing Polygon ZK EVM, the future of Ethereum scaling. Polygon ZK EVM is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that leverages the scaling power of zero-knowledge proofs while maintaining the capability of Ethereum. Developers and producers on Polygon ZK EVM can use the same code, tooling, apps, and more as on Ethereum, but with higher throughput and lower fees. Polygon ZK EVM uses ZK validity proofs to verify all transactions to Ethereum, inheriting the security of Ethereum. Polygon ZK EVM is here, offering compatibility and scalability without compromise.
Okay, so this has been in the works for a very long time. They've actually they were talking about this a year ago at a conference here, and talking about bringing this to Ethereum. So when it comes to scaling Ethereum, there's no question Polygon has taken an everything and the kitchen sink approach. That is their main focus. That is why many people are bullish on Polygon because of their ties with Ethereum. So what this means, and we heard this kind of in the video, it means developers can easily deploy applications written in Solidity, which is Ethereum's smart contract language, and take advantage of the ecosystem's robust developer tools, just as they do on the Ethereum mainnet. Again, one of the biggest issues that Ethereum has is congestion, right? And because it has grown so fast, these type of scaling solutions are needed. Remember, only about 4 to 5% of people are invested in cryptocurrency. So this is going to get bigger. We've got to find a way to scale this. This is a huge step in the right direction. And one of the reasons we were talking about Polygon way back in 2021 is this right here, that they've always been tied to helping Ethereum scale. And of course, Ethereum is number one in smart contracts. They have the network effects, number two by market cap. I mean, if there's a bet out there on, smart contract platforms, it's Ethereum. Sure, there are a ton of competitors, and I like Cardano. I own a lot of Cardano. But if I'm going to take one bet, it's Ethereum. And MATIC has always been tied to Ethereum. So I want MATIC as well. So it says here, scaling Ethereum, scaling blockchains has been the dream since at least 2015, if not before. So again, this has been in the works for quite some time. It makes Ethereum almost technically and theoretically infinitely scalable. This is Polygon's CEO, Sandeep Nawal, him talking in a Twitter space recently, adding that in contrast to other solutions, only Ethereum itself will be needed. It has network effects, it has developers, it has users. So we can take Web3 to the next stage of growth. I was actually just listening to Mark Andreessen on the Joe Rogan podcast talk about Web3 and talk about cryptocurrency. Somebody very intelligent, obviously. I love hearing that. He was talking about how Web3 is the future. Cryptocurrency, blockchain technology is the future. And a lot of that could be running on Ethereum. That's why I'm taking a big bet on ETH in the future. So the product is expected to reach the Ethereum mainnet by year's end, and major Web3 applications such as Uniswap are planning to deploy on ZK EVM, which again is the testnet right now that Polygon is using here to help scale Ethereum. So They're calling this the biggest scaling tool yet. And to end this thing, it says here, Polygon is a multi-chain ecosystem. And this is, again, their CEO, Sandeep Nawal. We believe there will be probably thousands such chains built on top of Ethereum. And Nawal said, stressing the open source nature of all companies' development efforts. And he finishes here, cryptography must be open to be safe. Whatever we are building is for the public good, and everything will be open source, and it will be in the public domain. So many big outlets are talking about this. Here's Blockworks talking about Polygon's big step toward the Web3 future. Of course, Watcher Guru's talking about it. It is all across socials right now. Now, some people believe it could be a buy the rumor, sell the news event for Polygon, and perhaps that's why the price was booming. But listen, this was in the making for quite some time in terms of the price action here with Polygon. And this isn't the only big piece of news. You know, the partnership with Disney, massive. But just from a technical perspective, Polygon has been oversold since its crash down near 30 cents. And of course, it's 3x'd since then in a short amount of time. Polygon currently sitting at number 12 overall by market cap. And it's a $7.3 billion market cap right now, and just outside the top 10. I think it will be a top 10 sooner rather than later. So that's what I've got for you here in this one. And Polygon continues to be an altcoin that, again, I've been accumulating since 2021. I'm swing trading it a little bit here during the bear market. And overall, I think it's going to be a great asset to have alongside ETH. I think it makes a lot of sense if you're a big Ethereum bull to also have some MATIC, because it's that layer 2 scaling solution that essentially sits right on top of Ethereum, making Ethereum better. So, all right, that's what I've got for you here. Hit that like button on your way out. Thank you so much for popping in, and I'll see you all in the next one.